today Jennifer is going to demonstrate how to put glass shelves into a sliding door curio cabinet. The first thing she did after she unpacked the curio was stack those glass shelves next to a piece of furniture nearby. She's going to come over to the cabinet and slide the door open to the right, which makes it a little easier to position these glass shelves. She's also careful to have the plate groove on the top of the glass and then towards the rear of the cabinet. She positions that first shelf and rests it on the wood base. She's careful to avoid the locking mechanism. It's also on the side. And now she's positioned the hardest shelf in the process. Next, put the second shelf in, carefully positioning those and gently getting it in. It's okay if you have a little bit of clanging as you put this together. Okay, so she has the three top shelves then are all stacked on the wood base on the bottom. Next, she'll take the patented shelf clips with the rubber cushions and find the position for that top shelf. In this case, she's counting the number of holes from the top, and she puts all 4 clips on that same hole all the way around. Now Jennifer is going to slide the door back to the right. And she's going to work on positioning that top shelf where she placed those clips. Now occasionally maybe you count wrong and you'll have to adjust a clip. So she lifts up and sets it on that first set. She lifts up higher to create a little space for herself and then sets that top shelf in place perfectly. Next, count again from the bottom and place all the clips the same number of spaces above that bottom shelf. Okay, she'll slide the door back across to the right and then lift that second shelf up past that first set of clips and then continue on up so that she has enough space and then sets the second shelf in. Remember to put the plate groove towards the rear of the cabinet and on the top of the shelf. The next step would be to repeat it for the bottom set of 2 shelves. Thank you very much.